Hey everyone, check out the Vans VN0A33TB3WJ1-055 Pride Classic slip-on skate shoe designed for comfort and style. This shoe features a vibrant multi-color design celebrating pride with a clean true white base for contrast. Its slip-on style offers easy wearability, perfect for quick trips or long skate sessions. The durable canvas upper ensures long-lasting use while the cushioned insole provides excellent support. Vans' signature waffle outsole delivers superior grip and board feel for skaters of all levels. Whether you're hitting the streets or adding flair to your everyday look, this shoe stands out. Experience the perfect blend of function and fashion with the Vans Pride Classic slip-on. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.